Coming on to the interiors, what all we have changed, I'm going to show you. The first thing we have changed is the climate control AC. We have changed it completely, and there are no wire cuts. Normally always people ask me if there are any wire cuts or not. So there are no wire cuts in installing this climate control. You have to just tell us your car model and we'll send you according to that. So if you can see, everything works perfectly fine. If you switch on the auto and the temperature is low, so we'll change it automatically. Each and every feature mode will work properly. Even coming on to this will work exactly. It used to work in SXO. Thank you for watching my video. If you really like the video, please like it and share it. And if you have any suggestions what should be included in our later videos and what can we do to improve our video, just write in the comments. We'll definitely follow it. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for liking my video. Thank you.